Alright, good morning people. Welcome back to our little Infinite Project channel. Today is a little different. We're not going to be working on the truck. We're going to be working on my good friend Tina. The top railing of her railing baluster, I don't know what you want to call it, but the top portion of her railings on her deck at home has been plagued with wood rot. And this is due to the high volume of water that gets saturated in that area. The correct way to do the repair is to totally remove it and replace it. We're gonna do a little quick repair, so this should take you guys maybe an hour at the most, give or take. This is a really quick temporary solution, and it will work for temporary means for little small repairs like this. If it was any bigger, I would have just ripped the whole top section off and replaced it. So hope you guys like it, and yeah, check it out. Okay, new project today, not car related. So I'm at my friend Tina's house, and this is her deck overlooking, pretty nice. Anyway, so her deck had some wood rot. How do we fix wood rot? The correct way: pull this whole beam off and replace it, right? Common sense. That's the real way to do it. But we're gonna do something that's temporary, permanent. So I dug out all the old wood that was rotten. It rains a lot here, so dig this out. I'm gonna let the nice sun, that bright sun out there, we're gonna let the sun dry it out. Gonna fill it with wood Bondo, whatever, or car Bondo, same thing. Fill it, sand it, paint it. That should buy us, I don't know, maybe a year or two more time before we pull this whole thing off. So easy fix. Dig it all out, let it dry out, fill it with a bundle, sand it, shape it, you paint it. Easy fix. Okay, so I dried out and I chipped away all the rotten parts. Then grab some painter's tape, tape the bottom and the back just so the bundle doesn't fall through. I'm probably gonna mix a little bit at a time just to fill, let it harden, fill, let it harden, fill, let it harden until it comes flat. Sand and paint. So let's check out when we're done filling. Okay, so we're gonna mix up the Bondo, whatever you want to call it, and then we'll fill it, make the first layer, let it harden, and keep going up subsequently. Okay. Layer 1 filled in, and just keep repeating the process. All right, here it is, all filled in. And remember the tape? Let's see. Trying to do this one hand. There we go. I'm just gonna put a little skim coat on this, sand it all down, paint it, and it should be good. Okay, pretty leveled. Just gotta do one last final sand on this, and then it's ready for paint. All fixed. Here we go on the last part. Just got through sanding it nice and flat with the Bondo. Then we're gonna paint it. It should look good. Okay, here's the final finish. Everything turned out really good. Nice and smooth. The paint sealed the wood and should protect it for many more years to come. This was a really good project for us. Hopefully this will help someone, and you guys can also apply this to any of your future home repairs with wood rot. All right, thank you guys for sticking around and checking out the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one.